I'm starting with a blank square canvas. Today I'm drawing a picture that I took of my morning coffee. I'm sketching a general shape of the mug and then using the select tool to manipulate the shape and size. I will continue to modify the shape until it looks right. Now, on a different layer, I'm adding in any of the details that stand out to me. Once I'm done, I'll merge both layers together because those are going to be my guide for the rest of the piece. On the next layer, I'm using the inking syrup brush to draw more defined lines. I do this by holding the pencil to the screen after completing the shape in one motion. It then automatically forms a clear shape. From here, you can use the select tool to adjust it even further. I create a separate layer for each shape so that it's easier to work on them individually without accidentally drawing on the wrong part. I'm now creating my swatches of the colors I think I will use. After applying alpha lock on this layer, I'm switching to the chalky brush to add in the different colors I see, and blending away until it seems to make sense. I've noticed my cup doesn't quite look right, so I'm going to take a long time to fix that. Now I'm working on the actual cup, just adding in all my lights and blending as I go. If you haven't noticed, I'm very indecisive and continue to fix the shape of my cup. I'll probably do this a few more times before I'm satisfied with it. used two different directions of light when I took the picture, so the shadows are a bit tricky. I'll just keep adding in colors a little at a time. Now to add detail to my foam in the cup, I'm adding in little dark dots, and then I'll go in with a lighter color in the center to give it more dimension. You can go super detailed and do a lot of them. I'm just gonna go with the most noticeable ones. I'll add in my whitest whites and do some last minute adjustments. I'm cleaning up my swatches and any lines that need to be fixed. And I'm all done.